Today we're exploring copy trading, whether it's really worth your time and money. So let's start simple. What exactly is copy trading?
It's basically when you automatically copy the trades of experienced investors. Instead of making your own trading decisions, your account mirrors theirs.
Right, it sounds like an effortless way to invest, especially for beginners, but is it as simple as it sounds?
Not quite. While it removes some decision-making, you're still exposed to risks. If the trader you follow makes a bad call, you lose money too.
I've heard people say if you can copy a top trader, why not just do it? But is their past performance a guarantee?
That's the catch. Past performance isn't always a reliable indicator for future success. Someone might have had a lucky streak, not genuine skill.
Plus, markets are unpredictable. Today's star trader can be tomorrow's cautionary tale.
Absolutely. And even the best traders have losing streaks. If you're copying them, you're along for the roller coaster ride.
Speaking of roller coasters, do you think copy trading is more stressful or less?
It depends. Some feel relieved leaving decisions to a pro. Others get anxious watching their money move without control.
Good point. There's a psychological element. You might feel detached, but the impact is real.
Also, some platforms let you tweak risk levels or stop copying anytime. That adds a bit of control back.
True, but I wonder how many beginners really know when to pull the plug.
Probably not many. It's tempting to just set and forget, but that can backfire if you're not monitoring the trader's performance.
Let's talk about costs. Are there fees involved in copy trading?
Usually, yes. Some platforms charge a percentage of profits, others have fixed fees. Over time, that can eat into your returns.
So even if the trader gains 10%, you might only see 8% after fees. That adds up.
Exactly. And if the trader loses, you still pay fees in some cases, which stings twice as much.
Ouch. So it's not a magic solution. Are there any benefits that stand out to you?
For sure. It lowers the barrier for beginners, exposes you to strategies you might not know, and saves time on research.
That's valuable if you're busy or new to trading, but do you think it helps people actually learn about markets?
That's debatable. Some argue copy trading discourages learning because you're outsourcing decisions.
Like the difference between cooking a meal yourself and ordering takeout every day?
Exactly. You get fed, but you don't become a better cook.
I like that analogy. On the flip side, watching an expert's moves might inspire you to learn more.
If you're curious, yes. But if you just want easy money, you might never dig deeper.
Let's not forget about transparency. How much do you actually know about the traders you're copying?
Sometimes not much. Some platforms give stats, but you rarely know their strategies in detail or why they make certain trades.
So you're trusting someone in the dark with your money.
That's risky. And some traders might take bigger risks to climb the rankings and attract more followers.
That could lead to reckless behavior, which then hurts everyone copying them.
It's a bit like following a race car driver who wants to win at all costs.
Great metaphor. Are there any red flags you'd advise people to watch for?
Definitely. Beware of traders with short-term explosive gains, little trading history, or inconsistent performance.
And check if the platform is well regulated. Some copy trading services are less transparent or even sketchy.
Regulation helps, but it's not a guarantee. Due diligence is still key.
So if someone wants to try copy trading, what's the best starting point?
Start small. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Watch the trader's history and risk profile.
And maybe diversify. Copy a few different traders instead of putting all your eggs in one basket.
That can help spread risk, though it doesn't eliminate it.
All this makes me wonder, do most people actually make money from copy trading?
Studies show only a minority consistently profit. Most people either break even or lose, especially after fees.
So it's not a shortcut to riches.
Far from it. It's more like using training wheels. You still have to be cautious.
Any success stories you've heard that stand out?
Some people do well, especially when markets trend steadily. But in volatile times, even top traders struggle.
Makes sense. Markets have a way of humbling everyone, even the pros.
Exactly. And remember, traders are human. They make mistakes, get emotional, or change strategies.
That unpredictability is part of the game. So in your opinion, is copy trading worth it?
For some, yes, mainly as a learning tool or a way to diversify. But it's not a hands-off money machine.
I'd agree. It's a tool, not a guarantee. Approach with curiosity, caution, and realistic expectations.
Well put. Maybe the best question is, what's your goal? Learning, earning, or both?
That's a great place to wrap up. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, investing is a journey, not a race.
And always do your homework. whether you're trading yourself or copying someone else. Until next time.